Hot shit. Hot shit. Here it goes.
This is South Cuba, Africa.
Hip hop. Cause you know I'm hip hop. Fake niggas talking shit. Yo, niggas want to take a shot. Cause you know I'm hip hop. Nigga, what? So what? I'm hip hop. Fake niggas talking shit. Yo, niggas want to take a shot. Cause they know I'm hip hop. Nigga, what? So what? Game on lock, this rock rappers still mad. They talking shit like nigga. You not in my class, can't talk hip hop, rock, SLQJ. Switch lane whenever you see me on the highway. I dare you forever stop my existence. I'm in the fast lane taking care of my business. Grown man, boy, you playing with the matches. I flame without stop, got you bitch on my dick. Murder hero, you want war, come get it. You want stop beef with me, man, you can bring it. You a broke ass, low class, stupid mentality. You best rapper name fucking with me. I'll guide the rappers with bomb and snipers. Wanna see me down like the World Trade Center, but I'm unstoppable, I'm unbreakable. They can't fuck with me, I'm unfuckable. Best rap album with or without award. The greatest of all time compared to none. Dude, hit it, I love it, I'm here for good. There's a passionate hip-hop, not for fools. You flow with no clash, you album so whack. You are cold stone garbage, hope you know that. You broke with no swag, nigga, you not a threat. Never heard about you, man, you far from the best. What? Fake niggas talking shit. Yo, niggas want to take a shot, cause they know I'm hip-hop. Nigga, what? So what? I'm hip-hop. Fake niggas talking shit. Yo, niggas want to take a shot, cause they know I'm hip-hop. Nigga, what? So what? Stop talking shit like a hoe with a dick and an asshole. Choose your lane or close your pipe hole. You low faggot, get your life right. I'm in a whole different league, I'm a new guy. If the rap game was a crack game, I've been gone. I smoke niggas, chew them like a bubble gum. I'm still connected in the game like a conference call. You flow so stupid like Sierra Leone. I'm the young rap symbol, heavyweight champion. I cut niggas off if the wish for me downfall. The new king of the new generation. Black knowledge, Malcolm X grandson. Dirty nigga need a body wash. Can't pay you water bill, but I'll drop you to the car wash. Gun clap you, I gun slap you. Watch you cry like a baby, like Pat DQ. I'm behind enemy line with black jeans and boots. Get me dark shit on and I'm ready to shoot. No retreat, no surrender, the frost made rule. I'm in the water zone with no bulletproof. 12 years of slavery, homie, we're free now. It's a new school era, get the clue now. Get your life jacket on or die swimming. That's what happened when the fool never listened. Hip-hop, fake niggas talking shit. Yo, niggas want to take a shot, cause they know I'm hip-hop. Nigga, what? So what?
I love this DJ Flex mix.
When I step in the club, me and my crew, everybody stop and say, here comes Riders. Yeah. When I roll through my hood, me and my crew, everybody stop and say, here comes Riders. Yeah. Me and my homies going hard like July 4. Celebration never stop until we ride on. Girls looking super fly, you better hang on. We give the party all night, let's roll on. I'm in my bag, I'm in the mood, where the bottles at? A real ballers in the club, where the models at? We going all out, damn girls, what's your number? A skinny chin, pretty ass, hot like a summer. You talking looking fly, believer, you can count on me. Say what you want, I'm really who you never be. We keep it real until eternity, you faking it. I make it easy, all you gotta do is just follow me. Club never pop without me getting in. Fake niggas really want to see me dead. Too classy, man, I pop my collar. I'm the real nigga standing, if you want me, you holler. When I step in the club, me and my crew, everybody stop and say, here comes Riders. Yeah. When I roll through my hood, me and my crew, everybody stop and say, here comes Riders. Yeah.
Best some respect for DJ Flex.
Once again, the ultimate crew, we're here. Fresh to death, the whole black feel in the air. Real nigga from the ghetto, never back down. Real hustler, never lean. We rise and grind. I never play with gun, never one get shots. In case I play with gun, homie, you might get shot. East to West Coast, they know we are riders. Get Town City till I die, we riders. I'm not a star, I'm the last real nigga left. Top 5 dead or alive for dead. I homeschool cause I'm in my own zone. If you broke past me, baby, I know I'm you. I'm still friends with my childhood friends. Sometimes we fight, but I never tell on them. We riders, we don't even play that shit. F117 till Judgment Day. When I step in the club, me and my crew, everybody stop and say, here comes riders. Shit. Say the road, I'm a crew, me and my crew, everybody stop and say, here comes riders. Kim bullshit, take it back to reality. Sound like Jamaican, that shit's so funny to me. Can't even tell who the hell you are. Nigerian, Jamaican, that shit kills me. Niggas turn around and watch you pass to watch the class. You're not even up to class, yeah. Your whole life is copy and paste. Sound like you're real to me, you just fake. Show music not for you, quit the game. You deserve a jail time for the time being wasted. If I'm a record label, you will never get signed. Forget about your swag, homie, walk or you rhyme. For sure, everybody want me rapper or singer. If not for Cardi or for two, it's for Binta. Shit, toss the rapper, need Diet Coke. One dish for fame, you could never blow. Nah, beef, you can save it for the hunger kids. Sure. Close friends do really turn enemies. Yeah. More careless, but the person that you ever be. Whack MCs believe they're not a friend of me. Never drop one hit, you think you hot. Now you all over the place talking blah blah blah. Telling people you better take over. Take over what? You taking over shit. Nah, feeling white rappers never on my playlist. All two singers, Paul, when I all chill. So many artists in the game nowadays. Who's real or who's fake? I just can't say, not at all. You got so many fans, which is cool, but half of your fans, they are all fools. So till I stop the hype, my nigga. The motherland never proud of you, my nigga. Out of school, this nigga shit they never learn. Dinosaur rappers who never change plan. I don't care, everybody do music. Realize one thing, you never be in my league. The only king I know is Jesus. Never comprehend any nonsense from an idiot. I body any rapper on my song. I let females slide, they're not my competition. JQ the rap game is mine. I can't flip the game up with female rapper won't get pregnant. Tight flow like a brand new pussy. I'm a wounded lion, stay away if you are virgin. I'm 26, name me 30 rappers, and I would destroy 26 rappers. Come on! The four remaining rappers that died to survive plus me, we top 5. Now I know why you still ahead, cause me got it like five past you wife in face. Come on.
I love this
Back then they
DJ
call me
Flex
bombastic. You too old and dumb, I call you bombastic. Stop that bullshit and do some classic. Upgrade you rap game and start dramatic. What can you rhyme and forget about the limelight? The game about to change, watch me when I fly by. Whack MCs sound like a dancehall. Sound so good like Cisco, dancehall. Quit the game, my nigga. Time's up, take a chill beat, my nigga. You days are gone, your time washed up. Put your flow on layer where you sound messed up. Nobody believe you, nobody trust you, nobody respect or look up to you. Never. You go down like Mike Tyson in his last day, never come back. And guess what? The fans wait, songs them nonsense. You find them jobless, you so useless. Niggas get reckless.
Some bitch on the internet, niggas get shot. Don't be a meter, who please left Ramadol. What rappers catch feelings when I said the game door. Surrounded by greatness, no intimidation. Cross the borderline and face the relegation. Everything electrified. You feel the magnitude, never appreciate. Why you giving attitude? Leave the kitchen if you hate the fire. This is a flow that might get you best rapper retire. If you can't stand the truth, then stand underneath this. Bunch of fuck rappers whack flow on the weak beats. Make me name on me own cause me flow sick. You lack flavor, no knowledge, you both see. I walk through fire, hip-hop salamander. Innocence bystander, never pretender. It's pretty clear, I'm 10 steps ahead of y'all. Squeeze MCs like King Kong, they scream God. Flow beyond fame, my mentality is legacy. You best rapper getting mad, I sense jealousy. We talk success, you talk the opposite. Outclass rappers can't reach my velocity. Facebook gangsters when I talk not impressive. Like me ex each and every time she texts me. Hip-hop went from talk of the nation back to square one with a whole lot of emotions. Mad about the truth, then please yourself. I put a night now you can real now check yourself. Too much better smack when I know they grow. Career like swamp water when I know they flow. The young shall not grow, now that's the say. When a mindset's backward and full of hate, I post J Temple over who face them twist. Fuck you feelings that go eat Ebola sandwich. The game still dull cause when a mindset's narrow. Blind from the truth, Boku close when I borrow. No need for filming, you girl need help. Run away from rebel war, now you don't turn talk. When I let down hip-hop, let down Jimmy, let down Shine the God's son. Hope y'all niggas feel me. Dear rappers, me na Salon JQ, the best doing this now without any dispute. Never listen when I drop these bars without mommy cuss. that's hip hop. When I left Mamikos, no appearance by any show. Beside you, to see tight splashy flow. A real nigga put food in our plates. When I just pack now, what's up for gossip and hate? So I stay away from you niggas. Too clean to be seen with you dirty niggas. I go to war with lions, not sheep. You rappers are mopeds, please I want sleep. Back then, if they hate you, you did wrong. Nowadays, if they hate you, you're doing good. Only 5 rappers with swag style, ZJQ, LA Collabo and the rest. I'm proud of a nation where diamonds at. Sierra Leone, West Africa, where lions at. The struggle is real, the real is keeping the real. We elevating to the top spot, hands in the air. SLQ, the survival of the fittest. Best of both worlds, most lyrical and hardest. F117 military minded. Life jacket, psychological mindset. Phenomenal flow, never emotional, no. I'm the best kept secret from Sierra Leone, ahead of my time. Priceless lyrical rhyme. Revolutionary hip-hop, the crown is mine. They throw shots at the great sport legends in the back. Trap the new schools in the closet for being hot. But I fly sky high, beyond fly, no space shuttle. Mastermind mentality, I'm unstoppable.
Listen, from 1,000 leons to $1,000. No crap, but now we thank the Almighty Allah. The one see me fall like the Twin Towers. Pray to Lucifer more than 24 hours. SLQ. Even apply head for stop me. 2 days boy, them niggas can't pop me. I stand strong like Bonat's roots. This is hip hop, we can do it coast to coast. If you dead below me, never study me footsteps. They above me, nigga, watch your footsteps. New age flow, multiply every greatness. Fly supersonic, never mix with litness. People get mad when you choose to be happy. Some go hurt you and even ask what's poppin'. Bathroom tissue friends, we flush them. Trash bag rappers with noise, we dump them. Small mentality rap flow, I'm not with it. We paper chasing, y'all niggas keep being dummy. Man, they say they know they fuck with me, cool. But I don't give a fuck about nothing but clean pussy. SLQJ, I'm back with a replay. Hottest rapper in the rap game, y'all niggas see hate. First day of school, nigga, I'm fresh. If we ever did the same, gal, you going next. The new clothes and shoes, the likes and views make these niggas think they can box with you. I'm a different type of rapper, proceed with caution. Step on my toes might lead to repercussion. I step on stage where the boo niggas. You step not the same stage, you getting boo, nigga. Keep it float so you safe, you can't spit like me. If you're not LJ, you know they swag like me. Sierra Leone #1 for beat the top priority. Instead, when I stress about I want that really bothers me. Shell talk skew, cockroach rapper, no they rush me. Never to this rap game, fly, no they bug me. Kim Mila say why you ain't cool jet this. There was a cool friends, you both kill, we got this. Well, nigga feeling safe across the line. I respect every rapper till they cross the line. Real friends stick around through the ups and downs. The fake ones stick around till the ups go down. Put a stand on my name, no go save your soul. I'm in the finger to me hater, JQ says so. I'm like a young boy, I do whatever I feel. If you mad about me, swag, do whatever you feel. These dinosaur rappers talking shit about the new schools. Play you positional G, forget the new schools. Never eat and watch me whole team stop. We share every meal cause we came too far. Being hater is being loser. We blow smoke nationwide like King Hookah. Too many new rappers, so many new songs. But up till now, I didn't play rap and clap. Black member, these rappers not in my class. I'm in the whole next level, so you do the rap.
Vision of a dreamer, all I do is dream. But the real money and nothing in between. Luxury life is all I can see. This my time to make my dream. Time to make my dream. For years I've been dead broke, pain in my hurt, but I just can't let it show. My dream is what I'm chasing. It's my time to go. I'm out of here, let my story flow. Sometimes my heart cries, but I smile when I speak. Visualize places that I just wanna be in. My mentality is all about reality, protecting my surrounding. Gotta watch my company. Fly like them birds in the sky, living large in my dream like a Hollywood star. Fake dudes in the hood hitting on my move, cause I'm always staying fly. That's a lay man's attitude. Big dreams never fade away. I'm chasing somebody, get off my way. Cause my dream is better than my past life, better than my past sight. Picture me falling in the lamplight. I lace my grace and shoot for the moon. Lot of motivation lights in the city of blue. Yeah, luxurious dreams come true. I'm going to the land of green, white and blue. In a spaceship to fly in space. The stars in my success, the moon I face. Got my eyes wide open, down on my knees. Luxury life is all I can see. Vision of a dreamer, all I do is dream. But the real money and nothing in between. Luxury life is all I can see. This is my time to make my dreams. Vision of a dreamer, all I do is dream. But the real money and nothing in between. Luxury life is all I can see. This is my time to make my dreams.
Question is, what's your dream like? Mine's a cold struggle, like a slave rights. Wrong. because I ain't a slave, right? Only took a hop, skip, jump to get right. See my left foot, I tripped over my right. To come a sex kid, I'm like minus a set. Fuck what the process is. Should I procrastinate it or should I celebrate it? And if I make it now, I bet we all related. They say them late nights make us weak as hell. I never sleep shit, but I still can't tell. And if I did good, man, who Joe about it? But when I fucked up, I bet they'll know about it. See, I'm drowning in the ocean, I can't swim. I wore a life jacket, but it's too thin. I'm just trying to win, like a lottie player. I'm like a skinny chick, I'm trying to get my weight up. Wait up, I'm in the line with the rest of you. Hey shit, damn, it'll get the best of you. Just get the best in you, put up your trust in you. Show the world, man, what you can do. But vest up, confess what? I'm a real man. I ain't even gotta feel this. I'm doing me, I ain't even gotta feel this.
I drove fancy cars in my dream. The powder with them Hollywood girls in my dream. But anything is possible, yes I believe. I had a dream, It was all about money and the fancy things. A custom cars and a flash of blings. Beyond spill limit, just in my dream. It's about time, vision of a dream. I tell you all.
Come. It's a DJ on this one, homie. It's a
You won't live long enough for wait for me downfall. No one catch AIDS, challenge, use condom. The one top piece, I say me young dumb. From now till eternity, let's bygone be bygone. Flow so dynamic like the black race. I wash with holy water, dance in my grace. The devil want test me fate. It say life ugly, but me young look like Beyonce. I move magnificent, intoxicate these haters in silence. The fans asking where you been, to manifest the possibility of new music. Listen, I've been through hell just to get here. With a night vision goggles, you can see clear. Say what you want, all I know. Put your foot on my shoes, you can lost all your toes. I do it for my hip hop niggas, for my hip hop niggas, for my hip hop niggas. I do it for my hip hop niggas, for my hip hop niggas, for my hip hop niggas. For the east, for the east, for the west, up north, down south, down south. I do it for my Cape Town niggas, for my Cape Town niggas, for my Cape Town niggas. I do it for the fans that been around since my mixtape days till my album drop. I do it for the ladies that rock with me, that love my style, the ones that never let me down. I do it for the hood, do it for the block. I do it for the ones that love Biggie and Pac. I do it for the ghetto, do it for the streets. I do it for the hustlers that barely sleep. I go hard for my city, show love to my city. Some DJs in my city never play my city. But I ain't never mad for that. My life is pretty good, I thank God for that. If I'm the rap Christ, I'm down for crucifixion. Never sell my soul, I'm down with my religion. One vision, one but I feed the whole nation. Stick to hip hop, never switch for attention. I do it for my hip hop niggas, for my hip hop niggas, for my hip hop niggas. I do it for my hip hop niggas, for my hip hop niggas, for my hip hop niggas. For the east, for the east, for the west, up north, down south, down south. I do it for my Cape Town niggas, for my Cape Town niggas, niggas. No fed me trouble, TFN man. No fed me trouble, TFN man. I said no fed me trouble, TFN man, bo. No fed me trouble, TFN man, bo. No fed me trouble, TFN man. No fed me trouble, TFN man. I said no fed me trouble, TFN man, bo. No fed me trouble, TFN man, bo. When we step in the club, got the whole club buzzing. International ballers and nobody cussing. F on the truth and you can see the proof. Then even some boy bitches say I see you, kill. I see you. You can't hate, we on top of the food chain. We pop champagne, hip hop we maintain. So maintain, stay now you lane and obtain. If love not work, no need for complaint. Respect the gentry, all I need one. If the man say it's over, you better switch plan. By now you for say tata. How you go fetch a cost for man when I sabi you papa? You not winning, that's why you always come last. If you first be exam, nobody no go pass. No friend me trouble, TFN man. If the plan A never work, use the B plan. Plenty come and go, rise and fall. But still now we there. Plenty come and go, rise and fall. Cause we not the matter.
Plenty come and go, rise and fall. But still now we there. Plenty come and go, rise and fall. Cause we not the matter.
Plenty come and go, rise and fall. But still now we there. Plenty come and go, rise and fall. Cause we not the matter.
Plenty come and go, rise and fall. But still now we there. Plenty come and go, rise and fall. Cause we not the matter. Truthfully, now me the run rap. Them too slow for me, I give them long gap. If they know they see fine, we give them contact. Still get them bars where they make you really come back. Sissy, the past, present and future, they envy, but still what ain't for me like tumor. Songs then I eat and they spread past like tumor. I'm more than a queen, still they sack for the new one.
I
catch you.
love
You
this
know boss
DJ
ball, they just
Flexmix.
patch you. Rule over the kingdom, then I make now the castle. The punch them what they bring, make me champion at the ring. So they ace me and up, let the liberty start. None of them is sound like me without tracks, like me when me bust on the street. Say me loud like Sarin. SL must fearing and no comparing. And me run the game, now me control the steering.
Plenty come and go, rise and fall. But still now we there. Plenty come and go, rise and fall. Cause we not the matter.
Plenty come and go, rise and fall. But still now we there. Plenty come and go, rise and fall. Cause we not the matter.
Best of respect for DJ Flex.
competition.
King on this thing.
SL. Check. Everybody want the king, but nobody want get rich. Pile pressure on the pipe, everybody on snitch. Raise the bar so high, everybody want beef. I put the beef on the table, nobody want eat. Enough for the crap, let's face the fact. The rap game still bend like Manuel scrap. Banja grab and clap when I see them the hits. Been here for years and still never elevates. They call me the new king, but I don't need crown like a deaf air language. I don't need sound. The flow so electric, the bar so magnetic. I left them behind cause I'm so supersonic. Short like bullets, I'm fly with no mercy. I heard them say, Jack, you please have mercy. The best MC, actually best MC. I rise above hate and above jealousy. Competition when I'm in the club. No competition when I'm on the mic. Zero competition when I'm in the east. To the west, up north. Zero competition when I'm in the club. No competition when I'm on the mic. Zero competition when I'm in the east. To the west, down south. Listen, I love hip hop, but I hate these rappers. No action, but who talk tough rappers? Jealous mindset, these nowadays rappers. They rapping like they popping, but no name rappers. Skydive jumper, nigga, I'm fly. You the leg for swag, nigga, I bar. Then tell fake stories for puts me down. So many haters on my dick, I need condom. You best rapper only nice where it floats on yourself. Me the plan for get married, you they talk about me ex. They wait for you time, me don't sell the clock. Then I pull up in the club with a micro calls. Rap control flow, I'm stopping these babies. Act like you know these rappers can't stop me. Put them on the song, then send me the beats. I renovate bullshit into a classic. Zero competition when I'm in the club. No competition when I'm on the mic. Zero competition when I'm in the east. To the west, up north. Zero competition when I'm in the club. No competition when I'm on the mic. Zero competition when I'm in the east. To the west, down south. We don't ever rap like them. No. We don't ever dress like them. Nah. We don't ever walk like them. We don't want anything or even look like them. Never. We don't ever rap like them. No. We don't ever dress like them. Nah. We don't ever walk like them. We don't want anything or even look like them. Never. Huh? We know one time. We don't ever. We know one time. Huh? We know one time. We don't want anything or even look like them. We know one time. We know one time. Huh? We know one time, we know once anything will even look like that. I now forget the rap game, whack rapper seats. Baptized to the game with the Jesus beats. And the tabernacle with the holy grill. The game box one bite me like Holyfield. They say Paquito taking over, Paquito get grip. Me know they bang Paquito cause me bullets on the feet. You the rip cause you dick small, stop that shit. We don't want anything will even look like this. Envelope rappers I come for address it. When I sound nice, but nigga with the nicest. Step to me, that's your stepping stone. Respect my credential like national anthem. The same school but different class. The same Sierra Leone girls but different ass. We don't want anything where even look like you, dress like you. Nobody want to rap like you. Everybody's the best to JQ step in. Triple MCs that can't take a walk with me. Never underestimate me flow like Madabio. I take over this game like Madabio. Only broke rappers say balling over here. The rooftop high, you can see things clear. SLQC, I move fantabulous. Stay now you lane, you're not one of us. We don't ever rap like them. No. We don't ever dress like them. Nah. We don't ever walk like them. We don't want anything or even look like them. Never. We don't ever rap like them. No. We don't ever dress like them. Nah. We don't ever walk like them. We don't want anything or even look like them. Never. Huh? We know one time. We know one time. Huh? We know one time. We don't want anything or even look like them. We know one time. We know one time. We know one time. We don't want anything or even look like them.
Turn up. X na 10, no algebra. Big things poppin', gun get bigger caliber. The galley wasting up, you galley waste a lot of stamina. I'm hot, cool as kid from West Africa. Man, I feel me style cause my shit dope. Yeah. Cheeks love me smile cause my teeth broke. The ice on my watch got my wrist froze. The chain make man and Cherry Island and seagulls. So le belle but me no mix. I stick to the code, me no snitch. Them do all kind team but still on hits. Man, I'm fell self in some serious shit. Black everything, black shot, black cup, even black gloves. Black tees, black captain, backwards. And all me man in action, back dog. So picture me at the top with the caption, rap god.
We don't ever rap like them. No. We don't ever dress like them. Nah. We don't ever walk like them. We don't want anything to even look like them. We don't ever rap like them. No. We don't ever dress like them. Nah. We don't ever walk like them. We don't want anything to even look like them. We know one time. We know one time. We know one time. We don't want anything to even look like them. We know one time. We know one time. We know one time. We know once anything will even look like them.
Fans but want kids like me, but you not fit like me. Go to the mall left with 20 J's like they give me for free. If you want step to the boy, come correct. If you want change your whole lifestyle, I got the connect. But check if a jet can flex. I've been a winner, you been a dreamer. I've been a fly boy in the bim, I've been a skimmer. Watch out my shoes, they cause traffic. All real leather, no plastic. Always that hot shit, yeah. Them boys talking swag, I ain't never heard of them. Them my daughters, I father them, they're young to me. Them girls that get sprung to me. The two flies in the game, Tito and JQ talk to me. Yeah, who that the mother rappers for real? Who that get the flyer skill? Who that ill? Flex, the Godfather, the Don Daddy of rap. The one with the make them grab and clap. Back on my bullshit, back like a real deal. Back on the top switch, motherfucker, how you feel? You got losers in your circle, boy. My boys out here blowing that purple, boy. You can't stop greatness, my destiny's promise. Yours are still on the wait list. Lavish life chilling on the top floor. This dude's swag is outdated, they should shop more.
We don't ever rap like them. We don't ever dress like them. We don't ever walk like them. We don't want anything will even look like them. We don't ever rap like them. We don't ever dress like them. We don't ever walk like them. We don't want anything will even look like them. Check, I see no changes. Wake up in the morning, same bullshit. Niggas stuck in put it work, but I ain't never see shit. They keep hating on the niggas if I own them. I came from the bottom, self-made with my own plan. Work hard till I make ends meet. When I turn around, jealous ones still envy. Frames don't fall in a blink of an eye. Shut it on the hold before I realize I'm the future, the present rely on me. You abortion baby, you not worth it. Real nigga never fuck with you. I know 10 beautiful chicks never fuck with you. Never scared, so I take all the risks. If the song's so classic, I need no remix. Not being selfish, I'm keeping it real. You can hate me or love me, you live in the fear. Real niggas putting work to survive. Hating ass niggas gossip and tell lies. But I'm here doing me, doing good and cute, born to survive. I'm a living proof. If you can do better than I do, prove knowledge. High school can never help you, you need college. I hustle all winter, ball all summer. You sleep all winter and hits all summer. They said the rap game is dead. No hype, no buzz, hip hop is dead. Listen, the rap game never died. The fact that I'm alive, the rap game's still alive. Wait for life jacket and count on me. There will never be another Q after me. You look like a wannabe rapper type. I look like a definition of a rapper type. See, they never knowed you. We ain't fucking with you. Man, you so clown, this position don't fit you. You best friend this you, shorty never kiss you. You hump so broke like somebody won't forbid you. Acting like a new school, old school boo-boo. Talk about snitch, definition of you. The strippers them know you, but they ain't fucking with you. Cause you so broke, talking price time tutu. Look how they treat you, bathroom tissue. Damn, now you acting like a bitch, which issue? Girlfriend, I love you, but I ain't trying to dish you. But if your friends smash bitch, I'm done with you. You can switch your flow times too, but miles on top just like January do. If you don't respect me, then it's all cool, cause I get respect from those you look up to. Besides you doing it, nobody does it better. Hip hop, my fiance, we both die together. FW1, 7 military minded. East Coast, West Side, thumbs up around it. Old school's out of the line, I'm coming. Straight from inside, my wall is your glummy. The Messiah, respect my credential. Crazy dope promise, yeah, for generation. This my reality, it's not a fiction. Insanity without definition. Share a stand, I pass my past. I'm still balling in my present, you can picture me last. Yo, yeah. Mr. Light Jacket.
They all over, they can't stop me. I'm a star. It's cause Westside smoking niggas like Chronic. The best doing this, if you mad, do something. You not done with the back, but you can't do nothing. Play with me, I'm betting you y'all and you cousin. Too many new rappers, only few rap nice. Talk about swag, tell me who dress nice. Die go to hell with your fake, with your bell, Shaolin Temple. Before you say my name, bow your head. You best rapper now, build like me. Never been the same weight class like me. Flag of Liberia, I start alone. F-170 would never walk alone. And I'm always stay fresh like new haircuts. I swear you girl, the face no clean past me sucks. I keep a new flow for a new bullshit. And I'm a leader of a new age. Since I step in the game every day with a new hater. A man on a mission, see when I all later. They hates me, love me, hates me back. Smile on my face, talk shit behind me back. Be one slip on me flow like pillowcase. I work hard, no pay like slavery days. Now I blow on me own niggas talking shit. But that's like malaria, we used to this. Lyrical Picasso, SLQ. Vaccinates white rappers, them all get flu. Jealousy contagious, I don't touch nobody. We in the rap game, but I don't fuck with nobody. Fake friends, they're not my affiliation. The pinnacle of hip hop can't stop my ambition. Make it rain, bring your umbrella. Cause I'm feeling like Floyd in this Mayweather. Now pay my attention like breaking news. I'm breaking rules, sorry cause I'm breaking you. I pay my dues, nobody fly like you or ram like you. I rap green, white and blue. 7 months belly, we don't pass abortion. Bad hard checkpoints, we don't pass the section. Small boys talking shit online. I get expensive watch, we don't get one at time. When I new to rap, I been down to hip hop before Biggie got shot. So nigga stop. You only turn hip hop when the guy crew fall. JQZ, name one rapper so fly like me. I double dare you. This fake Gucci rappers can't shine like me. The way baby fine make I feel for bats, but they act like fall with malaria catch. Turn down your feelings and turn up na club. Sit the fuck down or grab and clap. Y'all niggas rock dick, nigga, I rock polo. The best in the game, guess you probably know. When I flow too garbage, ashamed to a nation, I can't collab. I future me on my own song. The game not like football, all my one clicks. I rap not Creole, all my one beef. Relax, believe you ain't ready for me. I destroy you and leave you like a broken bitch. I flow too delicate for me to lose. A breath of fresh air you can pick and choose. Haters coming back to back like what I cycle. Too many MCs, they not to me rival. So,
Hot shit. Hot shit.
Pay some respect to DJ Flex. You know, king on this thing.